The so-called Summit for Democracy, put together by the United States virtually last Thursday and Friday, has been criticized for stoking division and confrontation around the world. Many analysts and officials have pointed out that the United States, with a deep-rooted Cold War mentality, is trying to use the summit as a political tool to maintain its own hegemony.
Western version of democracy, USA gathered and grouped nations with the mentality of Cold War based on their definition, not based on universal understanding of democracy. I think now nations are, or peoples are very aware on the intention of USA policies of foreign policy, international politics.
The United States want to line up a new players in regurgitating the Cold War mentality. That cannot be democracy.
Well, I think people really don't have any trust in the system that they have now. I don't think that people feel that we do have a democracy. And if you look at the so-called democracy, this is not a very successful system as it exists today. Countries are divided down the front. I mean, it's absolute battle.